wife masak daging kuda.
Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. So my wife bawa balik from Kazakhstan.
So dapat this chocolate.
Things were way worse than I could
So ugly.
Kazakh bread. Macam orang sana tak makan nasi, so diorang makan buckwheat. So yang ni lah, kita masak dalam rice cooker, lepas tu campur dengan butter. Kita ada something special from Kazakhstan. My wife masak daging kuda. We call it kaza, right? Horse meat straight from Kazakhstan. Of course it's hot. Ni dari Kazakhstan my wife bawa from her kampung. You cutting it like a professional. Really. Kazakh food, buckwheat, daging kuda, sayur. So usually diorang makan sayur macam ni lah, sekali dengan special sauce ke apa. Oh.